Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Teach with Koala. Once again, my name is Fred and today I'll be showing you how to access the full screen mode and what that does to your student's avatar. Without much ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, it's something which is really simple. It's not that difficult to do actually. So once you're in Koala and you're in your room, oh, that's my name right there, Fred. Once you're in your room and you want to access the full screen mode of the screen, by the way, use the arrows to move around. Just click on this icon, this sort of like crossbow arrow icon, and voila, full screen mode. Did you get that? Voila, Koala. Well, never mind. Let's see. Let's search for something. Koala classroom. Then if you want to exit the full screen mode, just go back onto the crossbow icon. Click it once again. On, off, on, off. So this is really simple to do, guys, and this is just one of the many features of Koala. When you do this, it attracts all the students' attention towards the board in Koala. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on another episode of Teach with Koala. Bye guys.